Do you think the Spiderman game? Yep, that is hokey okey hand. What's Spiderman?
Claim.
No, I'm using this guy. Yep.
Oh, no, you gotta. So you're trying to make that guy. Trying to make this guy.
Oh, I remember this game, Noel. I remember this game.
I want to beat some bad guys. Can we beat him up?
No.
Dang it, we're way too slow. Where's our heads? Oops. Okay, guys, we gotta restart. Like brother.
We pick out your one.
Muscle hands. I don't know who is that, Spiderman or what?
I know who it is, but I don't know who his name.
Boom! Oh, he kicked me in the private. Yo, let's get it. Oh, you're gonna do this one.
Who's here?
I don't know, a bad guy. I don't know who he is.
Oh, he is so. He is big.
Brother. Should we play this? Should we do this?
Do you want to? Oh no, he getting big.
Let's do it.
He getting big.
Install.
Okay, let's keep playing the Spider-Man game. Oh, he getting big. Well.
He can eat the whole. I hope that's not happening out outside.
Yeah.
Brother.
Oh,
Yeah.
you gotta play it.
Oh my God.
Oh. No,
Where's the train?
You need to find a train. Train.
Oh, thanks.
What?
Well, whatever. I don't care.
Yeah, download it.
We already did.
We did download it, boy.
Yeah, if you wanna see again, guys. This is gonna be a comment video, so make sure. And nobody was my guy does not like it at all.
Okay.
Yes, honey, you're doing this one. Wait a minute. Missions. Play with Spider-Man. Oh, his name is Spider-Man. This is Captain America. Wait, so guys,
Then who is that rabbit?
on what color do you want to use? What color do you want to use?
I want to use Spider-Man color.
So this is Spider-Man.
Mine.
This is Hulk. He's red for some reason. And Captain America.
Captain America. Hokey okey. Captain America.
So we're doing this.
No, but I'm doing it.
You're gonna go. Go put your orange pants.
Captain America.
Go put your orange pants.
Captain America.
Oh, Hannah, what the fuck are you doing? Oh, yeah, you made me so mad, brother. Did you see that, guys?
I did it.
Okay, guys, we're getting into it. Getting into it.
I want to do Iron Man. I think the last one is going to be Iron Man. No, I think the last one is going to be Iron Man. Oh, I think that Iron Man.
Let's claim this.
I think that Iron Man.
Okay.
Trace the letter. A. Nice.
So, bye, guys.